Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we will be looking at what all accessories we got for our Kia Seltos HDX model 2020. So we nearly spent around 40,000 rupees on the accessories, maximum of which was the basic kit, and we installed the sun protection coating film on all the glass panels, which costed us around 19,000 rupees. So sunroof does not require the coating because it already is tinted, but all the other glasses are not tinted. So we had two options: either we could go for the green color or either we could go for the blue color. So we opted for the blue color. Along with that, we got certain other accessories as well for the car. So let's see what all we got. So this is the Ganpati that we got from Amazon for our car. It looks really nice, really classy, really simple yet really classy. इसमें I think एक color और आता है with the white color, but we really like the golden because it's of black color. So उस पे जब आप golden और ये जो cream beige color का जो गणपति है ये रखते हैं तो बहुत सुंदर लगता है. इसके साथ कोई टेप नहीं आता है. सो व्हाट वी आर यूजिंग इज़ द 3M टेप, 3M double sided tape. So we will be using that. We also got that also from Amazon. I would be sharing the link in the description below, and let's put it together. And today we are in a brand new Kia Seltos. हमको गाड़ी लिए हुए करीबन एक हफ्ता हो गया है, एंड बट हम कहीं बाहर नहीं जा पाए. एंड टुडे वी केम आउट फॉर अ राइड एंड वी डिसाइडेड कि व्हाई नॉट टेक आउट दीज प्लास्टिक कवर्स एंड मेक अ वीडियो आउट ऑफ इट. It was becoming a little inconvenient for us क्योंकि obviously this is slippery, you don't feel comfortable. Kia Seltos में already inbuilt seat covers आते हैं, so we haven't got any extra seat covers on top of it. So इसीलिए ये पॉलिथीन अभी भी लगी हुई है. So let's take it out together. Leather seat bucket handle seat covers which comes in this model, HDX model. These are pretty convenient, dual tone. It gives a dual tone finish. So these are really nice. This the cushion cover, the neck support that we already had in our previous car as well, so we haven't got any new ones. The new ones जो Kia के उससे मिल रहे थे, they were similar. They had a logo Kia just here, so हमने सोचा हमारे पास already हैं and they were costing us around 1,500 rupees, so we thought why to get it, and we will use the old ones only. In terms of accessories, we got all the possible chromes for our Kia Seltos HDX model. HTX मॉडल में ऑलरेडी गार्निश क्रोम आता है, बट जितना पॉसिबल एक्स्ट्रा हो सकता था, क्योंकि वी चोज द ब्लैक कलर, सो जितना पॉसिबल हो सकता था उतना हमने लगवाया है. फर्स्टली वी गॉट दिस टेल गार्निश, टेल लाइट गार्निश. This comes as a straight line just under the tail light. Post that we got this reflector garnish. It looks really nice. Before it was not that appealing. I think after the garnish, the chrome has been put, it looks very appealing. After this, we got this boot garnish. So this is very much demarking. Rain visors. These rain visors are black with a chrome finish. These are very sturdy, very hard plastic. Very convenient in terms when it rains as well. The door visor is already there in the HTX model. The door handle comes in chrome color. We got this, the door protector. Which comes with a chrome finish. इसमें एक ब्लैक ऑप्शन भी था, बट वी चोज द वन विद द क्रोम, क्योंकि हमको ज़्यादा क्रोम चाहिए था अपनी गाड़ी पे. इसके बाद वी गॉट दिस साइड मिरर गार्निश. इसमें भी आई थिंक एक और ऑप्शन था, बट वी ऑब्वियसली वांटेड टू चूज ऑल द क्रोम फिनिशेस प्रोडक्ट. इसमें भी ब्रांडिंग है किया का. Post that we got this. This is the headlight garnish. Obviously comes with a chrome finish. इसको लगाने के बाद गाड़ी का लुक बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पोर्टी और बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा आता है. When you look at it from the center, and there is a curve, so it looks really nice. So the bumper protector and one garnish light along with this, it is pending from the Kia Seltos company, so we have paid for it.
Just tell me what you want.
सो करेंटली हमारी डिग्गी में जो भी सीट कवर से सीट्स पे से जो कवर उतरा था वो पड़ा हुआ है, बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू वी गॉट दिस बूट कवर. इट्स रियली नाइस. आई थिंक इट्स रियली नाइस. इस पे भी किया सेल्टोस का ब्रांडिंग है. वी गॉट दिस डस्टर एज वेल, विच इज़ रियली नाइस, रियली सॉफ्ट. अलॉन्ग विद दिस वी गॉट द कार कवर. हार्डली यूज होता है, बट वी थॉट वाई नॉट गेट इट फ्रॉम द ओरिजिनल कंपनी ओनली. सो दिस इज वॉट वी गॉट अलॉन्ग विद दिस. इसके अलावा we got the mats installed as well. With this we got the Kia Genuine Accessories Gel Freshener. It's in the flavor Exotic Grass. बहुत अच्छा नहीं है. We don't like it much. I think it costed us around 500-400 rupees, which is actually not very worth of it. When you go and buy a car from Nexa, because हमारी पिछली गाड़ी Baleno थी, they give you as a complimentary thing, but हमको यहाँ पे पे करके लेना पड़ा था ये. So that is all the accessories that we got for our Kia Seltos HTX model. Click on the description box below to get all the links of the video. Do give it a thumbs up if in case you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.